Hi, today we're going to be reading a very profound prayer written by Emmet FOX called The Presence. I hope you like it. The Presence. God is the only presence and the only power. God is fully present here with me now. God is the only real presence. All the rest is but shadow. God is perfect good, and God is the cause only of perfect good. God never sends sickness, trouble, accident, temptation, nor death itself, nor does he authorize these things. We bring them upon ourselves by our own wrong thinking. God, good, can cause only good. The same fountain cannot send forth both sweet and bitter water. I am divine spirit. I am the child of God. In God I live and move and have my being, so I have no fear. I am surrounded by the peace of God, and all is well. I am not afraid of people. I am not afraid of things. I am not afraid of circumstances. I am not afraid of myself, for God is with me. The peace of God fills my soul, and I have no fear. I dwell in the presence of God, and no fear can touch me. I am not afraid of the past. I am not afraid of the present. I am not afraid for the future, for God is with me. The eternal God is my dwelling place, and underneath are the everlasting arms. Nothing can ever touch me but the direct action of God himself, and God is love. God is life. I understand that, and I express it. God is truth. I understand that, and I express it. God is divine love. I understand that, and I express it. I send out thoughts of love and peace and healing to the whole universe, to all trees and plants and growing things, to all beasts and birds and fishes, and to every man, woman, and child on earth without any distinction. If anyone has ever injured me or done me any kind of harm, I fully and freely forgive him now, and the thing is done with forever. I loose him and let him go. I am free, and he is free. If there is any burden of resentment in me, I cast it upon the Christ within, and I go free. God is infinite wisdom, and that wisdom is mine. That wisdom leads and guides me, so I shall not make mistakes. Christ in me is a lamp unto my feet. God is infinite life, and that life is my supply, so I shall want for nothing. God created me, and he sustains me. Divine love has foreseen everything and provided for everything. One mind, one power, one principle, one God, one law, one element. Closer is he than breathing, nearer than hands and feet. I am divine spirit, the child of God, and in the presence of God I dwell forever. I thank God for perfect harmony. Emmet FOX.